Hi, we are in the process of. I just started. I told my planet Earth originally to let's just start the travel again, and the travel has been started, and you can feel the spirit we have. We have a very beautiful feeling where we are traveling to other planet. We are in a tour right now, and it's a beautiful thing. You can see I'm having entertainment while the planet Earth is going to planet Venus. It's a good feeling. We are in the tour and we are going to planet Venus. Planet Venus is looks different. I will try to show you planet Venus, how exactly the planet Venus looks like in different. I will show you from YouTube. I will try to show you youtube.com. I'm on the Earth is origin. You can see Venus depth of a planet. It's a depth of planet that we can try to shift a few Genies. And because I have also family there in Venus. They work on Venus AI from BBC Police and Space Police. Just for knowing about planet Venus, how exactly it looks like, and how everyone feels. How everyone will feel by going into planet. Not all, some genies will try to see, especially my family from Venus. I have family, and my Sarah, my Earth genies will inspect, and other genies will inspect. The complete Earth origin genie is going to planet Venus, and after, just like the UFO goes in front of the planet, the UFO comes in front of the planet Earth. You have seen it. The UFO comes in front of the planet Earth and stops. So the Earth origin genie is like UFO for me right now. So I'm going to planet Venus because Earth is origin genie. I don't need petrol. I don't need to drive it. I just say it from mine. The first genie of universe. That's some word. Remember it. Remember it. Remember that some word. I'm really sorry. I'm not taking revenge. I'm just trying to tell to somebody else for reason, different reasons. There are several ways I came on planet Earth after a million years from Click. Venus, someone says king of the planets. He's a king of the planet. Mercury is also there. We will be, Sarah, what do you say about trip to Mercury and Saturn? I'm really sorry. We just had a short trip to a planet called where there was life, I think, because I just wanted to grasp some kind of logic and about advanced technology. So it is the truth they have seen how exactly the truth about the truth, and they understood that I'm first. Genie, don't become against me. You also see the Mars. I have Mars family, and we are just it's not stop. I just teleported for small time because I have control on my Earth origin. Genie, I'm also Earth, and you can see we are going to Venus, death of a planet, they say. But let us take a look on through National Geographic. This is planet Venus, 101 National Geographic. I teleport. Some kind of it's called Death Planet. My family. What do you say? Just going to planet. It's a just waste. Just like you go in garden, there is nothing you find. Just let's try to go on Venus. What do you think about planet Mars, or where we? The genies are asking to come to the planet where there is life. You can see. Remember about the distance of the planet. I will try to call the family if you want me to call them. Uh, just I'm going to take a look on Venus where we are going. I will just change my mind if you want me. It's ESA, they say.
As our closest planetary neighbour, Venus,
It's
was
a dead
formed at
planet.
the same time and in the same part of the early solar system as the Earth, and Venus was made with the same basic ingredients, the same gases and the
Just try
same
to play the
rocks.
song just a minute.
However, now the two planets are completely different. On Venus, days
It's almost dead planet. What do you say, my family? Can you please tell me? Shall we go to somewhere else, or what do you decide? Go to some other planet where there is life. I'm not joking at all. Many are saying they are getting like dog breathing.
last longer than years, and the planet rotates clockwise with the sun rising in the west and setting in the east. And while here on Earth we benefit from an atmosphere permitting life, Venus is bone dry and cloaked in a thick, choking atmosphere of sulfuric acid and CO2. Since 2005, ESA's Venus Express has been in orbit around Venus, scanning its
You
atmosphere
have
from
seen just
above.
like the
Now,
you
to
have you
take a
seen the
better
satellite
look,
Nudwa?
ESA has sent
We are
Venus
going just
Express
like the
skimming
complete
in the
planet
top layer of
Earth
the
is
atmosphere,
going to in
using a
front of the
technique
Venus.
known as
It's like
aerodynamic.
UFO
We
because
went into the
first
atmosphere
Genie.
in this direction because this face of the
You
spacecraft,
can see the
which
NASA
had been
technology.
attached to the rocket
ESA, they say
originally when it was
they know
launched,
about something
was most
like
able to take the forces
special
of
thing
the
like they
camera.
make satellites
We
which goes
also
from here
turned
to
the
it is
solar
sent to other
panels to
planets.
maximize the amount of friction and to get the most amount of breakout.
This maneuver offered the
And
first
just
ever
like
close-up
this is
of
going to
Venus's
in
upper
front of the
atmosphere,
Venus.
and it
We are
wasn't what was
going
expected.
as the complete
What
planet is going in
we
front of
saw
the
that was a little unusual is the
Venus,
variability
planet Venus,
in the pressure, as if there were waves within the atmosphere.
and we will be
So that
staying there for
possible
few
wave-like
seconds, few
structure
minutes. Then we will
was
be
not
going
expected. And
to other planets. We will be traveling to many other
analyzing
planets
that
where there is life,
concept is
technology, advanced planet,
Thanks to
more
Venus
planets.
Express's data, it's
It
thought that
sends
these
back.
wave-like
The sun has
fluctuations could be
left the
related
gravity
to
because
the
sun is
speed
also
of
original genie
Pluto's
of me,
circulator around
and
Venus,
I can
and
ask my
these
son genie
winds
to
appear
come
to
at any
rotate
time
faster
whenever he
than
When
wants.
we arrived at Venus 8 years ago, we detected winds at 300 kilometers per hour, very fast. But what has happened during these years, until now, they have actually increased. We now see winds 400 kilometers per hour, and we can't really explain why that has happened.
Venus Express has spent more than 8 years digging
So
into
have you
the
understood the
surface of the
satellite
Martian
thing?
atmosphere
It
to
goes
better
from sent
understand the
from Earth
complex
to there. We are
dynamics
complete Earth is
between the
going there.
planet's atmosphere and interplanetary solar winds
Wait,
and the
Jan, I will just
atmosphere
try
in the
to.
subsurface. While these recent
It's a dead
findings
planet.
pose many new
It's better if
questions,
we just try
it is
to
possible clues
go
to
to
the
other
answers lie
planet where there
somewhere
is life.
in the vast amounts of data that have been gathered by the spacecraft over the course of its mission.
There will be no such thing as enjoyment. What will be the benefit? It will take almost 17 days. I came to know, and 70 days here from 70 days I came to know. Approximately the first date I came to know was 70 days.
अरे भाई गाने मत करो ना कुछ तो खौफे खुदा करो क्या दुनिया है कितनी शैतानी आवाज बंद करो
Alien. Let's just try to go on new alien planet. What do you say? I can try to go to this planet too, Sarah, but it will be dangerous. They are different. They look different. I also change. I can change. I can take shape of this too. I don't want to take. We can try to go to galaxies. What do you plan? This planet. What about this planet? Was with water, which may hold alien life, life of other planet. Researchers, what do you say of this planet? See, Sarah, what do you think about this planet? We will just try to see where this planet is right now. He came just now. Excuse me, can you please tell me about life does not exist? Planet is theft, thief. The poison is the planet I. Imagine alien life is there. Where you want me to go? Can you please tell me? Three moons and a planet that could have alien life. Three moons. Hubble looks at alien planets' atmosphere. It's good on detecting life. I'll make original Genie. It does not matter. I'll make original Genie. NASA finds alien planet almost the size of Earth. You tell me something. What about this one? Auroras. If we just try to go to planet Aroras. let's just try to go to planet Aurora. It's good. I will tell to our planet Earth. Let us stop, please. Stop tour. And planet just we are going to planet Aurora now. I was deciding to go to planet Auroras. I said Auroras. We were going to planet Venus, but we changed our mind and we are going to alien planets Auroras. I don't know how exactly it looks like. It looks beautiful, so I'm just planning because I just the genie is here. He just said that uh, he showed a love feeling. So it's a beautiful and frightening, they say, Jupiter-sized planet for
Last month, a cloud of plasma from the sun hit Earth's magnetic field and sent northern lights spilling across the Canadian border. In the United States, stunned onlookers saw blood-red auroras as far south as Alabama, Georgia, and Texas. For many skywatchers, it was a once-in-a-lifetime event. On the planet called Koru 2b, it could happen almost every night. Located about 880 light-years from Earth, the gas giant is routinely blasted.
I just asked, I could not control myself from going to planet Aurora with my family on short move with the complete planet.
Moreover, the battered
And,
planet orbits its star 97% closer than
the sun
Earth
is
orbits
also
the
there.
sun.
The sun is
When
also
it
there in
gets
front
hit
of the
by clouds
Aurora
of plasma or
planet.
coronal
It's
mass
good. It's a beautiful
ejections,
planet.
at such close range,
And the
the
genie came,
results
he
could be as
showed me a
beautiful
love
as they are
feeling.
terrifying.
And my
Koru
religion is
2b
believerism
probably
religion.
has
Remember,
auroras visible
please.
at all
This
latitudes.
is a quote. See, I'm
Even
telling
in
you,
the
my
planet's
religion
deep
is
south,
believerism religion.
says
only.
Scott Wolk of the Smithsonian Astrophysical Observatory at Harvard. Wolk simulates what systems like these could experience using data from NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory. The lights
What
would
are
be
you doing?
beautiful to see, he speculates. That is, for the few seconds a human could survive there. Solar flares from the parent star are
You can
so
see that.
powerful, they actually blast away some of the planet's atmosphere. About 5 million tons of matter every second, Wolk says. This could endow Koru 2b with a long comet-like tail whipping through the auroral glow. No one knows for sure, however, because the planet is so far away. Despite its tremendous mass loss, the planet is in no immediate danger of evaporating. Koru 2b is losing about 150 million billion kilograms per year. That sounds like a lot, but it is just a drop in the bucket to a planet more massive than Jupiter. It could sustain such erosion for thousands of billions of years. Koru 2b gets its strange name from the spacecraft that found it, the French Space Agency's Convection, Rotation, and Planetary Transit Satellite, Koru for short. A group of astronomers led by Sebastian Schroeder of the University of Hamburg in Germany recently conducted a detailed study of the Koru system using Chandra and the European Southern Observatory's Very Large Telescope. The results suggest that Koru 2b has a hand in some of its own troubles. The planet, in part, causes the flares. Wolk explains. Koru 2b orbits at breakneck speed, making a complete circuit around its parent star in only 1.7 days. Because the planet and star are linked by strong tidal forces, the headlong rush of the planet speeds up the star, causing it to rotate faster than it otherwise would. The spinning of plasma inside a rapidly rotating star creates a more active magnetic dynamo, which in turn gives rise to the magnetic fields that create sunspots and flares. By spinning up the star, Koru 2b sets the stage for flares in general, but it doesn't stop there. By rapidly plowing through the star's magnetic field, Koru 2b probably sets off specific magnetic instabilities that cause flares as the planet passes by. Koru 2b is literally sealing its own fate. Maybe living in a place where
We are going
auroras
to
are
planet
mostly
Auroras
confined
now.
to poles isn't such a
Always
bad
have a
thing
life,
after all.
stability,
For more information about planets,
everything is there.
beautiful and terrifying, visit science.nasa.gov.
This was me right after I started my business. You see, starting my business, that was easy, but maintaining it, that was chaos. We tried a combination of apps, software, and of
हमको बड़े नसीबों से. We're going to Aroras now. I told my planner. So it's a good trip. You will feel the feeling. Remove the binding, please.